Okay. Hey. Hi, Carolyn. How are you?
Oh, good, thank you.
Welcome to Edison Mobile Estates.
Thank you so much.
We're here with Carolyn. We just did a closing here in my office, and it was super easy, but I'm going to let Carolyn do all the talking because we're doing filming of a testimonial, and we're going to ask her some questions. So how did you hear about Edison Mobile Estates?
I take this highway many days. I work up in Metuchen, so I've always passed by and I've seen mobile homes out here, but I thought you guys just sold them. I didn't know this was a place where you could also live as well. So I found the address and the name, and I went and Googled it, and I got all the information. And I was overwhelmed at the beautiful homes and just perfect for what I needed. It was just like a dream come true. I was so thankful. I've searched and searched, and I could not seriously find anything. And it's
so where were you living before?
In North Brunswick.
But in a house, an apartment?
An apartment.
Okay.
And I was searching in South Brunswick for a mobile home. They were out of my range. I also searched in Jamesburg, I believe it was, for 55 and over, and that was out of my range and just a little bit too far.
Okay.
But this was really God sent. I mean that with all my heart. I really, truly do. And you guys are amazing.
That's what I want to ask you next, to let people know what's it like to work with Robert and Maria.
I was so nervous, well, you know that. But you guys, Robert and Maria, are absolutely the best people I've ever met. I felt so comfortable. I didn't feel nervous. They were honest. They were just the great. I just don't even know how to say it, but I mean it with all my heart. Stop looking.
I'm very touched. That's very kind.
I mean it too. I'm not just saying it. You guys are awesome. I made my whole transition so easy, quick. I made my closing on time, so I don't have to stay in my apartment any longer.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, with all the.
So today is May 17th, and she's leaving her apartment May 20th, and we were able to make it happen. So we were really happy about that.
Yes, I was so nervous, and everything just worked so hard. It was so great. It was clean. It was perfect. It absolutely just moved right in. I just can't wait.
Very nice.
I do.
And now you just got to see a house arrive. What did you think about that?
I never seen that before. That was so exciting. It's so quick and so they're like driving a Volkswagen.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, it's such an experience. I really, anyone that is in need of a home should just come here. It's just so perfect.
And what about the closing? Do you have any comments about that?
That was simple and easy, and you explained everything. Every possible thought I had, it was just so easy. I thank you so much.
So we really know that buying your house is a little nerve-wracking.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's where it's a lot of money, and it's where you place your love, your trust, and where you go home and rejuvenate, relax. So in your particular case, you had a lot of different issues come up right away, right when you were looking.
Yes.
And we just took our time and explained everything to her, the color choices, what the house was going to be like. And again, with the closing, we just go real slowly and go through each item. And it's our pleasure. I mean, we know. I mean, we're here to build a lifelong relationship. Many of our residents stay with us 20, 30, 40 years.
I plan on doing that.
That's very nice. So that's important to us because we're working on a trust relationship here. And I've had some people accuse us of strange things, and I don't know what they're accustomed to in the real world, but we're a small family business, and every person has a unique set of circumstances, and then they come to us with their situations, and we work with them and try to resolve it and work together and kind of have a team effort and send them to good companies that we trust that do good financing and insurance, and then that way they can live in home that is of comfort and peace, and we protect them in our secure, safe environment.
What I liked about you also, Maria, anytime I had a question, no matter what time or whatever weekend, I felt bad and asked me, but I needed that peace of mind. You always answered me.
I'm happy to do that.
I never had to wait.
Oh, very nice. I'm aware of the fact that we need to be accessible. Like I said, we know it's a big purchase, so we have people come in with their families and I've helped them dispel any of their thoughts or myths about or fears about different things. And when you came, there were no houses I could actually show you. I could only show you the office. And I did show you a couple of videos, which is hard to buy something when it's just a video. So you trusted us.
I did. I trusted all her colors, whatever she chose, I trusted her, and I just was so comfortable. I knew you would have done me right. I'm
very touched. This means a lot to me. It does. Like, because we're in the business of making people happy, and
you
this
did.
is what it's about. Like, this is the bottom line. Like, knowing that you were able to make someone's life more comfortable
And you
in
did.
a great environment.
It's so easy. It's such an easy transition. I was really nervous, but you made it so easy for me, honestly. And I do appreciate it.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh, you have anything else to share with anybody else?
I don't-
who might be looking for a house.
Just start here. Just start here, and you will not be sorry, honestly.
Thank
Wonderful
you.
family.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to get up and turn it off.
Oh my God. So cool. I mean,